Hello everyone, welcome back to my home journal. Today we will make a simple egg curry with coconut milk. This goes very well with chapatis, appams, puris, etc. So let's get started. The ingredients that we need are 1 medium sized onion, 1 small tomato, a small piece of ginger, 4 green chilies, half a mug of first extract of coconut milk, 1 mug of second and third extract combined, a few coriander leaves for garnishing. We also need chicken masala. Here I have used Eastern brand chicken masala, salt, and of course 4 boiled eggs. First of all, let us start by boiling the eggs. Take a pressure cooker and add around 2 cups of water. Into the water, add 4 eggs and around 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and wait for a whistle. Once the cooker depressurizes, open the lid and transfer the eggs into cold water. Wait for a few minutes before peeling the shell off. Also make 3 or 4 slits into the eggs so that the masala can get in easily. Now the next step is to prepare coconut milk. Here I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut, add it to the blender along with warm water and make a smooth paste. Pour the mixture into a muslin cloth or a cloth bag and squeeze the coconut milk out. This is my first coconut extract. Similarly, make the second and third extract. Now we will quickly chop the vegetables. Into the pan, add around 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil gets hot, add ginger and green chilies and saute for a while. Now add onion and saute until it gets translucent. Into this, add tomato and saute until the tomato gets mushy. Now add salt. Here I couldn't film it, so add salt accordingly, and 2.5 teaspoon of chicken masala. In this recipe we are not adding any other spice powders other than chicken masala, so that's why I have added 2.5 teaspoon. Saute well. Into this, add second and third extract of coconut milk and keep on stirring until it starts to boil. Otherwise, there is a chance that it may get split. Now, add the boiled eggs and cover and cook for a while until the curry starts to thicken a bit. At this point, add the first extract of coconut milk and continue stirring until it starts to boil. Switch off the flame and garnish with coriander leaves.